Hello friends, good afternoon all of you, and let's begin today for the communication skills class. I hope that all you people are doing fine, and so let's focus on the activities that you people can do for communication. So all you people try to focus on oral communication, though we are learning grammar, but try to use grammar for speaking purpose. Try to use short sentences like hello or maybe excuse me, maybe thank you, maybe sorry. These can be short expressions that will just try to be useful for you people. So accordingly, you people just try to work on that and make yourself comfortable so that you people can use English as far as oral communication is concerned. For listening, for reading and writing, you people might be working. So you keep working on that also, but it is important to work on oral communication. Okay, so with this, just try to recap what we people had in previous lecture. I think that we people finished articles. We tried to start with articles, and there people have discussed three types of articles, and those three types were maybe three
Hello,
articles.
sir. Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon, Anjali. Okay, I hope that my voice is audible and screen is visible. Is it audible, visible properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So those three articles in English: definite articles, indefinite articles that we people have discussed previously, and also we people have seen examples of some articles with a and an, difference between a and an. That things we people have discussed in previous session. Okay, so now we people would like to go for the next part of this, and that is going to be definite article the. So previously people have talked about what is a definite article the, but even today also we'll just try to think about that. The is called definite article. Okay, why it is called definite article? Because that means something which is specific, something which is clear, something which is maybe we wanted to talk particularly, and so therefore this is definite article, and that is only one, that is the, that can be used before nouns. Okay, so before going that, I think that I have told you people to find out some examples which can be of having exceptions, like that the in case of article o and an, the article begin with vowel sound, then what we people are using an, and if consonant is there, then we use article o. But there are some exceptions like the there is some vowels which are beginning with consonant, but still we're using an, and there are some vowels which are beginning with vowel sound, but still we are using article o. Such examples, have you found any? Or you did not find it? Up to now, between a and an, are you clear, or any questions about article a and an? Or no questions? You people don't have any questions in anything? So people just reply with yes or no, whatever people have discussed so far. With that, are you clear, or you people have some questions, or you need some more information examples that you people try to just tell me so that we can start next. So we can begin with the. मागच्या स्लाइड मध्ये काय काय झालं हे कळाले का सर्वांना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So those who were not present for last lecture, you people can just refer that in teaching diary. You people can get the link of previous class, so that you people just try to refer to the video and try to be clear with what has happened so far, so that you people can do. So in today's class, we are going to talk about a definite article. That is only one, the. So the is called definite article. So why it is called definite article, that people can just try to understand here. That so all you people just take care that you are going to mute yourself. It shouldn't be like this, that maybe you are keeping your mic unnecessarily unmuted. And again, it is a kind request to all students. You are expected to join within first 5 minutes also. So for that, I have been waiting for 5 minutes, and still now students are joining. So henceforth, you people, if you're not joining within first 5 minutes, you people will not be allowed to join later on also. So take note of it. Okay. So why it is called definite article? As it is used to indicate someone or something specific. Very simple. Why it is called? Because article that talks about what? Something which is particular, something which is specific. It can be someone or it can be something, and for that reason it is called definite article. So we'll talk about some of the uses of article the. So the is used before singular countable nouns, plural countable nouns, and uncountable nouns. So what is important here? People need to understand. In case of article a and an, the people have to remember they are only used before what? Before
Singular.
countable nouns. You cannot use them with plural. But in case of the, you can use them before singular countable nouns also. You can use the with plural countable nouns also. You can use the with uncountable nouns also. Okay, so therefore the is important, that it is used at all places, singular, plural, and uncountable nouns. But you have to understand that when we are using article the, when we are referring to something particular, something specific, that time only we people are going to use article the. So here, when we people are going to see some of the examples, you people can try to find out the difference between those things. The book is not available in the market. Okay, so here article the is used. The noun is here book. So Vishal Kulekar, is it time to join the class? Okay, so you just try to find if the sentence is the book is not available in the market and sentence is a book is not available in the market. So what do you understand from these two sentences? Are they same or there is difference in the meaning of these two sentences?
There is difference, sir.
Difference. Yes, there is a difference. When you say the book is not available, okay, so when you say the book is not available, it says that the book is particular. The book might be you're searching for, your teacher told. For example, today I told you, you people have to find out book communication skills. Okay, and in that case, you people are searching this book. Which book? Communication skills book. So this book is now particular. So in that case, you can tell me, sir, you told us to find communication skills book, but the book is not available in the market. So when you say the book, means here the is referring to which book? Particular book. Which particular book? Which you might have some reference, which might be, it might be a story book, it might be recommended by your friend, it might be any book, but that is particular book, that is not general book. Okay. And when you say a book is not available in the market, in that case, you'll come to know that in the market, there is no book at all. There is no book at all. A book means there is no books in the market. Something like that meaning will be, and it will be any book. You're not talking particularly about the book. So therefore, you have to be specific with article the, which kind of book you would like to refer. So therefore, the book is not available in the market. Here, book is specific. Then next says the water of this river is very clear and sweet. So here I would like to tell you the noun water is let's say material, or it will be a kind of, let's say, the noun before that article is not used. Generally article is not used. So you can't use a water or the water. But here we are talking about specific water. Which specific water is? Water of which river? This particular river. So we are talking about particularly. If it is general use of water, in that case no article use is used. If you are using for example, give me water, so there is no required article the, give me the water, not required. But here you are talking about the water, this water is specific. Why it is specific?
Sir,
Yes,
your second example is not visible.
I think that I forget. You people have to remind me, because when I share screen, I think that it is visible. So until and unless you people remind me, it is not going to be. So fine that you reminded me. Otherwise, I would have gone like this.
Okay, sir, visible.
So now I was talking about the second slide. So again, I have to recap, revise in short. So we people have already discussed about article and now people are talking about article the. So the is used before a singular countable noun, then plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. But in case of article and only we people are using that is for and. You cannot use and for plural. You cannot use it for uncountable nouns also. Okay. So here now I was giving the example of the book is not available in the market. And additionally, I was talking here, if you're using it with a book is not available, in that case, it means totally different. Okay. So here also I was talking about now second example, the water of this river. When you say the water, before water, we don't use articles if it is used in general sense, but now we are talking about particular water. So which particular water? Water of this river we people are talking. Okay. And so therefore the water of this river is very clear and sweet. So article the is talking about what kind of things here? Specific things. Then next, I have read all the books you gifted me. Another kind of example here, the books. Now here also books means which books you're referring? Books which are particular books. Why they are particular? Because they are gifted by you. So therefore I have read all the books. You can't say here I have read all, because that is noun is in plural. So you can't say a book. Can you say I have read all a books? You can't say. Why? Because books is in plural. So before plural we don't use or and. So therefore, and that is again specific books. I have read all the books you gifted me, like this. Okay. So is it clear use of the?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then let's go to the next slide and try to talk use of article the. So it says to talk about a particular thing or person that has been already mentioned. So now here you are going to talk about what? You're going to talk about a person, or you are going to talk about a thing. But what kind of person or thing? Which has been already mentioned. Okay, it is already mentioned. So if it is first time, that time it will be different, and when you are mentioning it second time, that time it will be different. So you can see examples so that you can understand it in a better way. So first example says, I ate a cake and an ice cream. Remember here, a cake and an ice cream. Why it is a cake and an ice cream? Because you're
Single.
yes, it is single and you are mentioning it for first time. You are mentioning it for first time and it is single. So therefore you are using a cake and an ice cream. Now there is one more sentence. One more sentence that says the cake was tasty and delicious. Now here again we are referring to cake. So now when we are referring cake here, at time we are referring cake here second time, because we are talking about the same cake. Which cake is here? The same cake we are referring here also. So now article used is here, that is the. Here you can't say a cake was tasty and delicious, because it will be totally different, or it will not be meaningful to say I ate a cake and an ice cream. A cake was tasty and delicious. You will not be clear. You will not be specific. People get confused what kind of cake you're talking about. But when I say I ate a cake and an ice cream, the cake was delicious, people will understand that I'm talking about a cake which I ate, and that particular cake which I ate was tasty and delicious. So it becomes specific and clear. So therefore, if you're going to mention something second time, or if it is already mentioned, in that case you are going to use article the. So our sentence is the cake was tasty and delicious. Similar example is here, you people can see same example, only sentence, only words are different, but same content is here. Now here I read a book. So here a book is noun, before book article used a, because we are mentioning it first time, that is again in general sense. Okay, so therefore a book, I read a book. Okay, so not in general sense, it is numerical sense of one. I read a book. मी एक पुस्तक वाचलं. एक पुस्तक, that is for article a. I read a book, and now I'm referring the same book here, which is already mentioned here. And now if I want to use the article, then that article will be the. The book is interesting. So which book is interesting? The book which I was talking here, the same book is interesting. It does not mean something else. And if you're instead of just the, if you're saying a book is interesting, that is going to be totally very different meaning, and it will not be specific. So I read a book, the book is interesting, so I'm referring the book second time here, and so therefore that is article the. Are you clear about these two examples?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then let's go to the next slide. Okay, and here we'll talk about next use of article the. Okay, that next use says before nouns which are unique of their kind. Unique means what kind of? They're only one. Unique means what? They're only one. Ekmeo Ditya. That is called unique of their kind in the world, such as earth, such as sky, sun, moon, ocean, etc. So they are unique. So you people, before earth, you're going to use always article the. It is the sky, is the sun, the moon, the ocean, etc. So now another different tip I'm going to tell you people. You people tell me whether it is how you're going to pronounce it is the earth or it is the earth. How you're going
The
to
earth.
the earth or the earth. I'll tell you when you people have to say the and when you people have to use the here. Okay. Now if it is sun, what do you say? The sun or the sun?
The sun.
The sun.
The sun.
And moon, the moon or the moon?
The
The
moon.
moon.
The moon.
The moon.
The moon.
Okay, so here I will give you again another tip. That tip will be if any noun, if it begins with A, E, I, O, U. If it is any noun beginning with A, E, I, O, U, and before that, if you're going to use article the, that is going to be what? The. So you have to pronounce the earth. You have to pronounce the ocean because it is beginning with O. If it is end, how you pronounce the end or the end?
The end.
The end. Okay. So remember, this is just for pronunciation. Okay. Don't get confused with a and an. Here we're talking about article the. And if remaining, if it is consonant, except A, I, O, if it is beginning with consonant, all consonant sounds, then you are going to pronounce it with the, like the sky, the sun, the moon. Okay. So you take care about pronunciation when you are going to read the sentences anywhere. Okay. So let's see examples here. These are some unique things. So it says the earth moves round the sun. So two things here you will find. Earth is here, sun is here, and before earth, article the is used. Before sun, article the is used. Next is the sea and the sky meet each other at the horizon. Okay, here you'll come to know 3 times article the is used. Sea, sky, and horizon is here. So the sea, the sky, and the horizon. So these are the some of the examples. You can find it more that you people can just talk about. Other unique things can be man-made also, like if it is Taj Mahal. So for Taj Mahal also people can use the Taj Mahal. Okay, so because that is also unique thing. Again, you people can see something like great monuments also will come here, or the Great Wall of China also. So there also people use the Great Wall of China and all other many things which are unique things for them. Akshay, you are not audible. You said something, but I did not understand.
Sir,
Huh.
what is the difference between the and the?
There is no difference between the and the. That is only pronunciation. It means same.
Sir,
Yes, Harish.
can we use and before earth?
No. You cannot use. You can't say an earth. Earth is not a general. Earth is only one. Na?
Okay, sir.
Though it begins, remember here, you may confuse it that it begins with, and maybe previously you people might have reminded or taught that if any noun begins with A, I, O, U, then you people have to use article an. But that is not applicable here. You can't use an earth. Okay, why you can't use an earth? Because earth is only one earth, that is specific, that is particular, that is unique thing. So nobody is going, never, you will not find anywhere you people can read the like an earth. Okay, it will be always the earth, sorry. Okay, any other questions? Fine. If no questions, then let's go to the next slide and try to understand next use of article the. Here it says, before nouns which have superlative adjectives before them. So superlative adjective, superlative degree. For example, if you know good, better, best, which is superlative degree? Good, better, best?
Best.
Best.
Okay, if it is best, so best is superlative. So all you people have to understand, before best, if you want to use article, which article you are going to use? The. Remember how you are going to say the, it is beginning with b. So b is consonant, so it will be the best, not the best. Okay, so these kind of things you people will see here. Akbar was the greatest Mughal emperor. Greatest Mughal emperor. So you may just think that noun, actual noun is emperor, and it is beginning with again e, so you may tend to use an, but that is not okay. Why it is not okay? You are using which adjective? Superlative adjective. Which is superlative adjective? Greatest is superlative adjective. So before greatest you can't say an greatest Mughal emperor, no. A greatest Mughal emperor, no. It will be always the. Akbar was the greatest Mughal emperor. Remember, for all superlative degrees, I'm just giving example of best or any other. Maybe it can be oldest. Another example we can take here, oldest. If it is oldest, don't go for AEIOU here also. So you can think oldest is the superlative form. So before oldest, you are going to use the oldest. Okay. The next is your Vision for 2020 is one of the best books by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So here also will come to know best. I have already told you here best. It will be the best books. Why? Because best is superlative degree. So you can take any other examples here. I have mentioned only 2 examples. You can relate it with any other anywhere. If sentence is in superlative form, like greatest, hardest, fastest, most beautiful, these are also examples of superlative adjectives. So where you people are going to say the most beautiful, like this. The next, before nouns which represent a class of one kind. So next use of article the is like this. It says when a particular noun or one particular maybe a word which is going to represent a class. A class means entire family, entire group of that. Okay, in that case article the will be used when that refers, that noun refers to entire class. Let's say with examples you will understand it in a better way. So first example says the poor always suffer. So you'll come to know what is noun here. What is noun here?
Poor.
Tell me, poor is noun or adjective?
Adjective.
It's adjective.
Adjective, sir.
It's adjective. Okay, but here it is not mentioned at all. If the adjective, before adjective, if any if article the is used, then there is no need to use noun. Okay, you need not to use the poor man. Okay, not required. Try to understand. So you now pay attention to the sentence example which I was talking about. It says the poor always suffer. So what do you understand from this? So poor means it is noun in fact. Poor means here only one or all poor people? Tell me, only one person or all people?
All people. All
All
poor
people.
people.
All poor people will come here. Why? Because why we are taking all poor people? Because of article the. Because that refers a class. A class means entire, all poor people will come under. The poor always suffer. It means all poor people will suffer like this. So the poor means all poor people. So that you people have to understand. Again, remember, poor is adjective, but before adjective, article the is used. So together, the poor means all poor people, or the refers to the class, entire, all, everyone, all poor people will be referred by article the. So the poor always suffer. The next similar example you people can find here also. We should always help the weak and the helpless. Again, the same question I can ask you people. Tell me, weak and helpless, they are both adjectives. Weak is also adjective. Helpless is also adjective. But before weak and before helpless, article the is used. So the weak means what? Tell me. What is
Weak
meaning?
people.
Yes, all weak people. The helpless means all helpless people. So the refers to the entire class, to all particular category of that particular kind. Okay. So this is also you people have to remember about use of article the. The next important various kinds of things you people can find here, and they're like this. Before proper nouns such as mountain ranges. Okay, usually before proper noun, we people don't use any article. For example, you can take any noun, or you can take your own noun also. If it is my name, I can't say the Rahul. Okay, that is not. That is not. Okay, you can't do like this. But here you people can get some of the examples, that names of mountain ranges. Okay, so mountain ranges, you people can see examples here. The Himalayan, the Alps. So Himalaya, is it a mountain or mountain range? Is it one parvat, or there's a range of all these different kinds of mountains in Himalaya? You might have studied in your 10th geography.
Sir, there is range.
Yes, there are ranges, there are number of mountains, there are number of, maybe you people can find there is a kind of series like this. Okay, so therefore that is a range. So that is the Himalayan, that is mountain range. Alps is also mountain range. Next, names of rivers, all names of rivers. So you people can take example here: the Ganges, the Nile, the Chandrabhaga. What are your names you know? Maybe the Amazon, and all those rivers from India and abroad. Every river will have article the only, not a Ganga river, not Chandrabhaga, not only names of river, but before names of rivers, you are going to use article the. Next is here oceans, names of oceans, and seas, names of oceans and seas both. So people can see the Pacific, the Atlantic, these are names of oceans. Okay, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and maybe you can talk about seas. We people have Arabian Sea. Okay, the Arabian Sea. So people have to say the Arabian Sea. So for seas and oceans, you are going to use article the. The next is gulfs. Okay, so for gulfs also you are going to use article the. So here example, the Persian Gulf. Next, bays. So bays of Bengal, that you people might have studied in your geography. The Bay of Bengal, the Arabic Sea, we already just mentioned. So that is also names of canals, the Suez, the Panama, these are names of canals. Deserts, you can find out, tell me names of deserts that you know. The Sahara, the Gobi Desert, the Rajasthan
The
Desert.
Thar.
Yes. Yes. And here is very important, few names of countries, not all nations. If it is India, can you call it the India? The India? Can you call it? Before
No, sir.
we don't use. Before India, we don't use. So before names of nations, we don't use article the, but there are some nations which are made up of part, which are made up of some federation. In such cases, there is article the is used. Okay, we can find here the examples like the USA, United States of America. So in this case, article the is always there. The UK, United Kingdom. Okay, so there also you'll find article the is used. The USSR. What is this? The USSR. Which country is this? That is Union Soviet Sovereign Russia. So for name of Russia, you can find the USSR. That is Russia. Okay, Rus, you can call it Rus also. And there are other also the New Zealand, or there are some nations before you people can find which are made up of different parts, different category. UK, you will find there are 4 parts in UK. Maybe Scotland is there. Maybe England, Wales is there, and one more part is there. Together that makes United Kingdom. Okay, for USA, there are a number of federal states. For USSR also, there are different parts. For you just find out more nations which take article the before them. Names of islands also that you will find that article the is used. So there are some geographic terms you can take here together. Before these things, the people will find article the is used. Okay. Any questions here?
No, sir.
Okay, the next slide is here with another tip that says if you want to refer to some musical instruments, in that case also people have to use article the. So there are a number of musical instruments. Here you can see some examples. Fiona is learning the flute. So Fiona is proper noun. Okay? That is not name of musical instrument. Fiona is learning flute. Flute is musical instrument. Before that, article the is used. He plays the violin. Here you come to know violin is musical instrument. That before that article the is used. And you can use other guitar is there. Then harmonium is there. Then maybe what are other musical instruments?
Guitar.
Yes, guitar is there. Piano. That is
सर
also.
सितार and गिटार वेगवेगळं असतं ना.
Yes. Yes. So you find it out. Importantly, what you just try to understand musical instruments. Okay. Mridang or that veena and all of those things. So people try to find out words for them. And before them, article the will be used. The next, before names of certain books. Certain books means what kind of books I would like to tell you. These are religious books. These are particular religious books which are very popular books like the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible. So these are some. Which one, Anuradha?
Chava.
No, not before Chava or Yayati or what you people have read, Mrityunjay, all those things were not. These are just old books. Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Quran, Bible.
Ved.
Vedas, all Vedas will, yes.
Mahabharat.
Yes, the Mahabharata will be there, yes. Yes, you can also include First World War and Second World War. Great historical events. So before you have to pronounce the First World War, the Second World War. That will come here like this. Okay. The next, before nationalities also. In previous, I think that 1 or 2 slides I told you, before names of nations, people do not use any article except few nations like United States of America or United Kingdom or USSR. But here, before nationalities, all nationalities will take article the, all nationalities. For example, you people can see here, the English. What do you mean by the English? What do you mean by the English? The English means like the Indian. What do you mean by the Indian? That is nationality. That is nationality. So Indian means Indian people. The Indian means all Indian people. Okay. All Indian people. The French means French people. The English means English people. The Polish means there is one nationality. Okay, like this, the Polish. Not police, that is Polish. Just wait. Okay, the Polish means people of Poland, like this. So before nationalities, the people have to use article the. Any questions here?
No, sir.
Okay, so from English, I would like to tell here before names of languages. Before names of languages. Will you use article or not before names of languages? English, that is nationality, so the English. But if it is language, in that case, will you use or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you are going to use before language, then what will be the difference? How you can find it out difference? The English means nationality and the English means language. So before language, no articles. For all language, it is not the English, the French, or the German, or the Marathi, or the Hindi, or the English. Before names of languages, no article will be used. Okay, note down somewhere. Before names of languages, no article will be used. I think that here we people can add some more points. Before names of directions, you'll come to know that all directions, all main and sub directions together, they will take the article the. If it is east, the east. The west. Okay. And the south, the north. Southeast, southwest. Northeast, northwest. So all directions will take article the. Okay. Before proper noun, I already told you, if it is your own name, you cannot use it. But I think that we people can use article before surnames, and that means something different. For example, you people can use the Patils. When you are using before surname, what does it mean? If it is the Patils, meaning of the Patils means all members. All Patils. Yes, all Patil family members. That will be the Patils. Okay. But if it is only one surname, in that case, you can't use it. Then
The colors.
No, before colors, no article. Before colors, we don't use. Names of newspapers you can include here. That is missing. All newspapers. Okay. So the Times of India, the Indian Express, that will be given examples, and you can take the Daily Sakar and all those things. So names of newspapers will be here. Before that, we people use articles.
Geographical lines.
Geographical lines. Okay. So yes, that is also people can talk about the equator. Equator is there.
The
Then
latitude.
latitudes are there. Yes, latitude,
The-
latitudes, longitudes. The Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. That is also religions, names of religions also people can add here. Okay, if it is the Hindu, the Muslim, the Christian, and all other religions, so people can include. Before religions, you are going to use article the. Okay. So I think that we covered maximum part, but you people can also try to find out more things also, which will be useful for you people to just check how you people can find it
Sir?
out. Yes.
Do we use the before zodiac signs?
Zodiac signs. No, we don't use before zodiac signs.
Okay. Sir.
So here we covered everything in articles because you know that we have to just complete the things, because completing only parts of speech will take 8 to 10 days, but that much time we people don't have. So a kind of revision only. You people try to, or maybe next session I will come with one exercise based on article, so that you people can attempt those examples. 8 to 10 questions I will try to include. People try to solve them. Yes, based on all a, and, or the. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here we have closed with articles. If you have any questions, you can feel free to ask me. You can ask me here, as well as you can try to study something, try to take help of Google as well. And then you can just be ready for these things. We are going to move towards the next part of our syllabus, and that is going to be now noun. Okay, that is going to be noun. So very simple. To begin with noun, there is nothing to teach. All you people have been studying noun since your first standard. Okay. So what is noun? Noun is nothing but it is name. Name of whom? Name of a person. It can be name of a place. It can be name of a thing. So in this three category, it will include everything. Person, all people that you know. Place, all places. And in things like pen, pencil, eraser, table, chair, window, and whatnot, mobile. So everything will come under things or object. So noun is word used to name a person, animal, place, thing, and abstract idea. So here you can get another word, that is animal also. All the names of animals, they are also noun. Abstract idea, what is abstract idea? So something that you can think of. So that will be abstract, which you cannot produce in the form of object. That is called abstract idea. Okay, so that is also noun that you people can think of. And those nouns, they can function in a sentence as subject, an object, or object of preposition. So these are functions of noun that you people can think of, like this subject. Okay, so if I would like to give one example here, if I write like this, Rohit plays cricket. So in this sentence, how many nouns are there?
2.
Rohit and cricket.
Yes, Rohit and cricket, there are 2 nouns. And out of these, you'll come to know subject. Which one is subject?
Rohit.
Rohit is subject. Okay, so noun can perform an object also. So what is object here?
Cricket.
Cricket.
Cricket. And we'll take object of a preposition. For example, if I spoke to Nitin, this is example. In this example, which is noun?
Nitin.
Nitin. Okay, so here before Nitin there is preposition, so that is called object of preposition. So I spoke to Nitin, that is called object of preposition. So nouns perform different functions in a sentence. So that is also people have seen. The people can see here, we people have mentioned here some examples: girl, book, Mary, Paris, bird, education, love. These are all some examples that you people have to just think. Okay, so with this we people will try to just get classified into person, place, animal, thing, different examples. Again, you people can see here on this slide also. In case of person, you people can talk like this. It says girl, boy, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, Mr. Patil. So all these are examples of person. For place, you people can talk like this. School is place, home is place, playground is also place, Pandharpur is city in fact, but that is again place. Zoo is also place. And animals, you people will come to know dog, bee, cow, elephant, horse. So that is again insect, but that will come under animal. For thing, I already mentioned that number of things will come, objects will come under this category. Pen is there, table, flower is there, pencil is there, book is there. So all these are some of the examples of noun that you people can just try to relate yourself with this concept of noun. And in the following slide, you people can talk about this. These are types of noun we people will talk. I think that we'll see these types in next lecture. All you people come prepared for this. So which types we are going to talk here? You can just take note of it. Common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, concrete, countable noun, uncountable noun, compound noun is here, collective noun is here, material noun is here, singular and plural will be there. So in a broad way, I have made this classification, but major types you will come to know: common, proper, abstract, countable, uncountable, or collective. So these are majors. Major types only will be like this. Okay, so we'll meet in next lecture. We are going to stop here today. Okay, so thank you for joining today. If you have any questions on articles, you people just come with some questions. We'll try to solve. I will come with some exercise in next session. So meanwhile, keep studying, keep learning, and just stay connected on this. So let me know if we take attendance, then we'll stop. So for attendance, roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 6 and 7 are not there. 8, 9, 10.
Sir, 6 is present.
6 is present. Prachi, you have to rename yourself with your roll number. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 is absent. Then 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 is absent. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 absent. Then 32, 33 absent. 34, 35 absent. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 is absent. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50 is absent. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. So next 58, 59, 60, 61, all are absent. So absent numbers for today's lecture are roll number 7, 18, 23, 30, 31, 33, 35, 44, 50, 58, 59, 60, 61. Anybody present out of those absent numbers?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
58.
Okay, 58 is here. All right.
Sir, 45 present.
Okay, 45 is present. Your number is not there in absent numbers. Okay, all right. Should we stop here? Should I end this meeting for all people?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.